Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Measure app on your iPhone. Go into Measure app and move your phone camera around to detect a nearby surface for a better measure of your object. To measure your object, set the starting point by tapping the plus button and simply drag it to the other end of the object and simply tap plus. Now your measurement is completed. To save it, just simply tap the volume up button and the shutdown button and take a screenshot. You can crop the screenshot and edit it in any way you want. And a bonus tip, don't worry if you get distracted or move away. Your measurement will stay on the screen, so you won't lose it. As you can see, it really stayed at the same place. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.